everybody. It is October, and I'm Carol, and this is my corner, and it's Morris K & Sons Fur and Fashion. I am here to talk to you about what's going on at Morris K for the month of October. Well, first off, October the 4th, which is Friday, I'm going to be doing my strutting to my stuff and have my annual fur show at the Dominion Country Club. If you guys are members or nobody who is, give them a holler and tell them to get on in there. It starts at 11:30. If that's not enough, for the month of October, we are open, just a reminder, Monday through Friday, 10 to 5, Saturday, 10 to 3. And it's getting to be that time for storage pickup. But you know what you need to do? Give us a jingle 2 days before you want to pick them up so we can have them wrapped and ready for you and have a smile on our face so we can see the smile on yours. We can hardly wait to do that. Did you forget your storage this year? If you did, we're doing a Freshen Up for Fall special. Come in here, you got some little nips and tucks, things that need to be fixed. We spend $200, we will do a free cleaning glazing. So that's great value. It's worth $80. Get that done. Come in here and get some repairs taken care of so you will be ready for the fall because it's just around the corner. Now, why am I dressed in my amazing lynx and python? Because, come on in here, Nicole, so we can talk about a special thing we're doing. Nicole and I are dressed and ready for the Mob Buys event on October 17th, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, so we want you to get in your gear, get in your mob wives. This is just a little sample of my closet. If you're a mob wife, or mob girl, or mob guy, get that special outfit. We're gonna have some Italian drinks, maybe a little whiskey, got some cigars going on, and we want to invite you in here because if you don't get here October the 17th, we're going to be here 5:30 to 8. Who knows? If you don't come in, what's going to happen? Forget about it. You're going to be sleeping with the fishes. But we need to know you're coming, so you're going to give us a call, 210-820-3877. We'll see you on the 17th. We'll see you for first storage and cleaning. From Nicole and myself, and everybody here, bye-bye. See ya on the 17th. Bye.